po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa Lady Triskelion Muntinlupa Council sa pagbibigay sa akin ng tulong na makahingi ng dugo para sa aking anak. Muli, maraming salamat po and happy anniversary. Salute to all my fellow sisters. Sis Estrella from Katarungan Sigma Chapter.
Ako po si Francisca Sulema alias Wednesday ng Pilipro Sigma Chapter. Taos puso nagpapasalamat sa pag-donate ng aking dugo. Maraming salamat po. Salute.
On behalf of Bill Arolina 1 Chapter, I would like to greet the Lady Triskelion Muntinlupa Council a happy 12th founding anniversary under the leadership of Chairwoman Sis Casey Onin Jose and her officers. We are deeply grateful for your support in assisting one of our members in need of a blood donor for their child. Your kindness and camaraderie truly reflect the spirit of being a Triskelion. We pray for your council's continued success in bringing honor to our fraternity and sorority. Cheers to more years of unity and celebration. Brother Santi Baxi Echanova, Grand Triskelion, Villa Arolina 1 Chapter, Muntinlupa City Triskelion Council.
Happy 12th founding anniversary sa Lady Triskelion Muntinlupa Council sa pamumuno ni Chairwoman Sis Onin, sa mga officers at sa mga kapatid naming Sigma na bumubuo dito. Naway patuloy nyo pong pagtibayin ang inyong pagsasamahan at pagmamahalan sa ngalan ng ating kapatiran. At magpapasalamat na rin po pala ako dahil sa ginawang pagtulong ng LTMC sa isa sa aming mga residente nung ito ay nangailangan ng dugo para sa operasyon ng kanyang anak. So muli, binabati ko po kayo ng maligayang anibersaryo. Brad Tintoy po, nagmamahal sa inyong lahat.
Happy 12th year anniversary, Lady Triskelion Muntinlupa Council. More anniversaries to come. Naway ipagpatuloy lang natin ang pagkakaisa para sa tapat na serbisyo sa ating kapatiran at sa inyong nasasakupang konseho. And shout out sa ka-chapter ko from Emilio Aguinaldo College, Manila. Isa sa pinakamagaling, dedicated at hardworking na Sigma na nakilala ko. Chairwoman Onin, it's an honor. Sobrang proud kami sa'yo. And once again, happy anniversary mga sis. Salute and God bless.
Salute brothers and sisters, especially to our beautiful Sigmas out there. Lady Triskelion Muntinlupa Council for celebrating the 12th year anniversary. Ka-chapter ko si Sis Casey. I'm from Emilio Aguinaldo College Chapter, 1995. And I'm the former chairwoman, 2017 chairwoman of Triskelion Order of Law. Mabuhay po kayong lahat, capital S everyone. Thank you.
Hello, Sis Onin, chairwoman of Lady Triskelion Muntinlupa Council. Happy 12th year anniversary. Proud ang EAC Chapter Manila na naging isa ka kabahagi ng Sigma na sumusuporta, nagmamahal sa ating mahal na kapatiran. Noon pa man, kitang-kita ko na ang dedikasyon mo sa ating fraternity. Capital Isis. Once again, happy 12th year anniversary. Brother Gary Gerardo po, founding batch, EAC Chapter Manila.
Greetings, Lady Triskelions. I'm Alan Dada Apolonio, the incumbent Vice Secretary General of the entire Calabar Zone. Greeting you a happy 12 years of existence, Muntinlupa Lady Triskelion, headed by our Chairwoman Onin. Mabuhay po kayo lahat. Bye-bye.
Hello sisters, this is Brad Carl Panganiban, alias Pablito. Ako ay isang Triskelion din, mula naman sa EAC Chapter. Malugod kong binabati ang mga opisyal at miyembro ng Lady Triskelion Muntinlupa Council sa pagdiriwang ng inyong 12th-year anniversary. Lalong-lalo na, yan, ang inyong chairwoman, si Sis Onin. Ka-chapter ko rin yan sa EYAC chapter. Alam nyo, naniniwala ako na siya ay isang masipag at magaling na leader. Kaya napakaswerte nyo sa kanya. Muli po, congratulations. I wish you all the best. May you have a enjoyable and memorable celebration. Muli po, happy anniversary sa inyo. Salute!
Sa aking ka-chapter sa Emilio Aguinaldo College, Manila, Chairwoman Sis Onin, happy 12 years anniversary sa inyo lahat dyan at sa lahat ng members ng Lady Triskelions of Muntinlupa Council. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Salute!
Good afternoon. Happy 12th anniversary to all of you, members of the Lady Triskelion Muntinlupa Council, led by your beautiful chairwoman, Sis Onin, who is my fellow chapter member at Emilio Aguinaldo College, Manila. I'm confident that your council is the good and righteous path because of her leadership. She was a GLT when I joined the Brotherhood in 2005, and I can say she is one of the personalities that shaped who I am today. Once again, I congratulate you on your anniversary. Enjoy, be united with respect, and have a beauty inside out beyond boundaries. No doubt, basta Sigma, maganda. Long live mga sis.
Happy anniversary to the Lady Triskelion of Muntinlupa Council. For 12 years, your council have gone a long way. It has endured mga problems and challenges, but you were able to overcome them. And with the 12 years, I may say you are now thriving and enjoying the rewards of the hardship ng mga leaders, of course, ng GLTs and the chairwoman. To Sis Bubbles, to my Vice Lady Secretary General of the TGS MMRC, and to the chairwoman, of course, si Sis Oni na napakasipag talaga. And we are very lucky and blessed na maayos at well-oriented ang mga sis ng Muntinlupa. I hope you enjoy your special day, and thank you for inviting me. But unfortunately, I couldn't come due to some engagement. But again, happy 12th anniversary, and enjoy, party, and we'll see you soon for a General Assembly.
Hello mga sis, mula po sa San Pedro City Triskelion Council, ako po pala si Chairman Cons Magno, na bumabati po ng Happy Anniversary LTMC sa pangunguna po na napagaling na pinuno na si Chairwoman Onin. Chairwoman, mas lalo lang po nating galingan sa ating pamumuno. Hayaan po natin ang mga taong bumabatikos sa atin, mas lalong lang po nating galingan, pabayaan natin sila. Ika nga, hindi gaganda ang pelikula kung wala pong kontrabida, kaya hayaan natin sila. Sis, nandito lang po kami palagi ng aking asawa na si Sis Game, na lagi nakasuporta sa inyong magagandang hadikain. Muli, happy anniversary po, LTMC, mabuhay po kayong lahat. Salute!
Hi sisters! This is your sis Frenchie D. Gusto kong pong batiin ng happy anniversary ang Lady Triskelion Council of Muntinlupa, headed by Sis Onin, co-chapter kayo si Sis Onin sa EYAC. And syempre, pinapabati kayo ng brad natin na si Carl Pablito. So, congratulations sisters! Happy anniversary! I hope to meet you someday. And take care always. Happy anniversary! Mwah!